More trouble there for RG Kaur, a former principal of RG Kaur, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. After CBI, now the ED to probe alleged financial irregularities against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. The Enforcement Directorate registers a report into the financial misconduct in the RG Kaur hospital. The report registered based on CBI's FIR. Name of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh in the report registered by the Enforcement Directorate. Shreya Chatterjee is with us for the very latest. This is bound to happen, isn't it, Shreya? And before I go across to Shreya, I'll just tell our viewers that on the left side of your screens, these are pictures from the Chief Minister's residence. Remember, the protest march is towards the State Secretariat today, but these are visuals coming in from the Chief Minister's residence. Shreya continues to be with us. On financial irregularities now getting probed by the Enforcement Directorate, but expected, Shreya, isn't it?
Well, you know, Asneha, obviously when the Central Bureau of Investigation takes up a case regulating the financial irregularities, they will essentially be probing into the corruption angle. But obvious when the money trail picture will come in, ED will have to move in. So this is but obvious because if you actually look at the petition that was moved in the Calcutta High Court by Akhtar Ali, who was the Deputy Superintendent of RG Kaur, he wanted a probe by the Enforcement Directorate. So because CBI is now probing into the financial irregularities, the Enforcement Directorate moving in to look into the PMLA angle, the money trail is but obvious, and that is exactly what is and will be transpiring in the coming days.
In those details as far as the money trail here is concerned and the financial irregularities being probed by the Enforcement Directorate now is concerned. ED has filed a report based on the FIR that has been filed by the CBI. We'll continue to get you up to speed with the investigations in this case, both in the murder